Hey everyone, Zack Dettmore here, and today on the Build Show I want to talk about cast iron stacks and what to do when you're in an old house remodeling a bathroom. So the issue is really these old cast iron stacks in most historic homes are going to be 4 inches inside diameter, which means they're about 6 inches almost in outside diameter at this fitting. Now what that means is you typically can't fit them in a 2x4 wall. Case in point, someone furred this out at some point to cover it. What you can do if you don't want to sacrifice that space is you can swap it for a 3-inch PVC pipe, because PVC is smoother. It has similar drainage properties to what this 4-inch cast does, and for most residential applications that's acceptable. But let's talk about, do you need to make that swap? Well, you could of course leave the wall packed out, but if you leave it packed out, what is your risk? So I have seen these pipes crack typically at the fitting. So if you have the opportunity and the budget to replace them, I think it's a good idea, but it can be costly and it's not necessarily fun or easy, but it's something you may want to consider, because once these come apart, you can patch, but then you might just be chasing leaks. It's obviously easier to make the repair when the wall is open, but it may not always make sense. So what I like to do is have my plumber look at these pipes, sort of diagnose the age, and then I can tell the client, like, the plumber believes that this is an acceptable one to save, or the plumber believes that this should be swapped out, and here's what the cost would be. So it's not only a layout thing, but it's a durability thing. But in general, it is acceptable to shrink these down to get them in the wall, at least in our area, and then you know you have a nice durable installation and you can get rid of that bump in the wall. Here it's sort of behind the toilet, but often you'll see it sort of stashed into the corner. So that's all I got for you. See you next time on the Build Show.